Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by plugging the Xbox steering wheel into your PC or console and making sure it powers on. Once Windows recognizes it as an Xbox controller, install official drivers. If Roblox doesn't detect the wheel, download and place an X input emulator like X360C into the Roblox player folder. This makes the wheel present as a standard Xbox controller to games. Make sure to run the emulator and let it create the DLL files so Roblox can see the input immediately. Once the emulator is running, you test each wheel input and save a profile. This is where you map the steering axis to the Xbox left stick or D-pad and map pedals to triggers. Make sure to adjust dead zones and sensitivity so small steering adjustments register properly in Roblox driving games. After mapping, save both 32-bit and 64-bit configs if the emulator asks, and restart Roblox. This alignment prevents drift and gives consistent control behavior in-game. Now launch Roblox, enter a driving game, and switch to controller input. Once done, test steering, throttle, and braking. If steering feels reversed or too sensitive, invert or tweak the axis and sensitivity in the emulator or game settings and retry. Make sure to run the emulator as administrator if Roblox doesn't pick up the device. When things go wrong, recheck the DLL files are in the Roblox player directory and that the emulator profile is loaded. This single troubleshooting step resolves most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.